Evening, folks. Brian here, Geomagnetic Earthwatch, Tuesday, September 23, 2025. Let's do a global report. Let's start off with the most important areas, or weather systems, or typhoons and hurricanes. So this one here is already making landfall very close, just below Hong Kong, Category 3. Actually, hurricane-wise, Category 3. Typhoon-wise, Category very strong. It's already tracked through the Luzon Strait. Still a possibility of subsequent notable seismic responses. This one here is some distance away from the Isuzu Islands. Interesting how it's going to zigzag. Currently classified as a typhoon. Let's move on over to the Atlantic. Well, first of all, these two systems here are now over very close to Puerto Rico. Then the next one. But the one in the Atlantic is already past Bermuda. Category 3 was a Category 4. So the interesting track on this one is going to be crossing over the Mid-Atlantic Ridge and then heading over into the Azores, where earthquakes are common, but let's see if they're going to intensify as well as any earthquakes along the Mid-Atlantic Ridge, more than what they usually have. We're going to check some heat. The Northern Sea, there is a little bit more than there usually is. These are all the oil and gas platforms flaring off to relieve the pressure. However, not sure of the source of the sulfur dioxide cloud. I can only go back to midnight. As you can see here in the Northern Sea, now, normally it's possible it could have originated from Iceland. However, the wind is blowing in the wrong direction. Anyway, this is just a curiosity observation. Let's check our jet streams. Start off in the southern hemisphere. We have no buoys in motion. There's really no notable earthquakes of note, but about 5.8 off the Peru, coast of Peru, below the Azores. So yeah, this is going to be a curious one. So we're going to be crossing over the Mid-Atlantic Ridge just below the Right James Triple Junction. Oh, hang on. Something else I noted, just a curiosity. So I've never seen a hurricane this strong track this way before. So Bermuda, let's see. So it's going to pass over these undersea mounts, volcanoes. I've never seen any responses, no heat detections, anything like that here. So just curious, we'll watch it. Speaking of heat in the oceans, some increased points here. I believe this is the volcanic island, the British Air Force outpost. Really nothing else out of the ordinary. Still Fiji. A lot more than usually is. Indonesia. Okay, folks. Not too much more I want to get into tonight. And we'll follow up this in the morning. That is all.